Just stay on. Hi, my name is Corey Fluxtra, and great news. Not really great, but good news. Okay, it still is a big struggle just to. Yeah. So, anyways, okay. So how? Okay, because my cat has an ear infection or a tumor on her ear, whatever that might be. We don't know yet what it is, but hopefully they can remove it. Remove the chunk out of her ear or just puff it out. But great news is that my cat is going to the vet. We got it all set up, and she's going to the vet, and she's going to get healed somehow. I do not know how they're going to do it, but hopefully she does not have to be put down because that'd be really bad. I did not know what vets do, and I just talking on because I'm very concerned. But who knows? They're vets. They're paid to heal and check up on animals. So yeah, it's a good thing that we finally got an appointment to take my cat in to get maybe treatment. Maybe. I don't know. But we need to figure out what's going on in her ear. So it's a good thing that, yeah. It'd be better if this never happened, but it's a good thing that we are going to the vet and we're going to find out some stuff. So we got a carrier to put her in, and we're gonna drive her over to the vet. So my brother is me, and my brother are taking my cat to the vet. Bye.